Today, I'm going to show you 3 powerful tools that can make your browsing experience not only faster, but also much safer. If your browser feels slow, tracks you everywhere, or loads tons of ads, these tools will completely transform the way you surf the internet. Let's get started. Tool number 1, uBlock Origin. First on the list is uBlock Origin. Unlike typical ad blockers, uBlock Origin is extremely lightweight, meaning it won't slow down your computer or your browser. Once you install it, it immediately starts blocking intrusive ads, pop-ups, tracking scripts, and malware domains. This doesn't just make websites cleaner, it also makes them load much faster, sometimes cutting loading time in half. If you want speed and privacy with a single click, uBlock Origin is a must-have. Tool number 2, DNS over HTTPS, Cloudflare 1.1.1.1. Next is enabling DNS over HTTPS, specifically using Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1 service. Normally, when you visit a website, your device asks your internet provider where that website is located. This process can be slow, and your ISP can see every site you visit. With DNS over HTTPS, your requests become encrypted, private, and significantly faster. Cloudflare's 1.1.1.1 is one of the fastest DNS servers in the world. You can set it directly in your phone or use their app and immediately notice speed improvements, especially on websites that normally take long to load. Better privacy plus faster browsing equals huge win. Tool number 3, HTTPS Everywhere or built-in browser HTTPS mode. The third tool is HTTPS Everywhere, or in newer browsers, the built-in HTTPS only mode. This forces every website you visit to use a secure, encrypted connection whenever possible. Why does this matter? Because without HTTPS, anyone on your network, like on public Wi-Fi at a cafe or airport, can potentially see what you're doing. It also speeds up many websites because secure connections are now optimized and prioritized across the internet. Once enabled, you get safer browsing, encrypted data, stronger protection against hackers, and better performance on modern sites. Simple change, huge security boost. Final thoughts. With these 3 tools, uBlock Origin, Cloudflare 1.1.1.1 DNS, and HTTPS Everywhere, you can make your browsing faster, cleaner, and far safer within minutes. Try them out and feel the difference immediately. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more tech shortcuts and digital life upgrades. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.